Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. This is your boy TradeMate. If today is your first time, kindly do us a favor, subscribe to this channel and then hit the notification bell. We have a free Telegram group. If you are willing to join, find the link to the group in the description. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's delve to today's video. Alright, in today's episode, I'm going to cover a trade recap. I'm doing a recap on the gold trade that I caught this week. Basically, it's a simple setup that every person or everyone can basically catch these setups. All right, so now let's go into the video. All right, so if you look at this gold chart now, let me see if I can have a new chart. If I can have a new gold chart. All right, let's clear these drawings and then let's analyze it again. All right, so when you go over to this gold chart that you are seeing right now, on the daily, let's start from the daily. On the daily chart, gold has been super bullish, and we all know even on the weekly, gold has been trending bullish right from the beginning of this year. And then we had this all-time created around the month of May, and then gave us this sort of left and shoulder, right? But on the daily, we could not take out this low. We could not take out this low. We could not take out this low, and then price reversed, created this high here, and then came back, right? So from the daily perspective, gold was bullish, so I decided to also go to the 4-hour, and then once the daily is bullish, I expect 4-hour to be creating a bullish structure, to be giving us a bullish structure. Now, if I should take my trend line, you will see that we had this bearish trend line here. This was broken on Tuesday. And I caught the setup on Thursday, right? Caught the setup on Thursday. So when you go to the trend line was broken on Wednesday. We had a sort of break and reverse, but we couldn't touch it for the fourth time. So I drew this level here. And I had this one also here, this resistance or this XNR over here, right? So when you look at now when you look at this support here, we had a rejection here. Now when you scroll to the left, you see that this support was basically a support also. We had a touch, we had this touch, we had this break and retest, and we finally broke and came back to retest again. This was a fake breakout, and then it came down. So it was a key area that I was expecting, and this is 23.55. that's the round psychological level. So basically, yeah, it was a strong zone, and we had multiple rejection. Look at the multiple rejections here, and this gave me a clue that possibly price will go to the upside. So when you look at market structure around this area too, you will notice that we have a liquidity grab over here, which gave us this breakup structure to the upside, right? Which gave us this breakup structure to the upside. Let me delete the trend line, which gave us a breakup structure to the upside. So I was expecting a pullback. So basically, I was expecting a pullback if I should take my fib and drop from this zone to this area, or possibly let me use this low that my fractal indicator pointed. You realize that that level is at the 50 level. It's at the 50 level, right? So basically it's okay because anything below the 50 is considered to be discount. So it's okay to buy from that zone. And so when I saw a multiple rejection on that level, and then on this 4-hour chart, we had this engulfing candle here. I basically brought my tool, had my buy around this area. Our Excel was around this zone. My target was here, right? So I even had an earlier entry. When you go to the 1 hour, my entry was when this bullish candle closed here and rejected this zone, created this resistance here. But on the 4-hour, we had this engulfing. So I had an earlier entry around this zone. I don't know why this thing is misbehaving. Around this zone here, the whole trade was around 2.4 extra. Now when you go to my Telegram group, we had this trade posted on the group before and then after. Now my overall target was this daily level. Our overall target was this daily level here, right? Which I believe that price will basically hit it before give us a rejection or turn around to the downside. So this was when we shared the signal. This was when I shared the signal, and then this was how far the trade was going. Everything was shared live in our Telegram group. You'll find the link below. See you in the next video.